Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a great day. So today's video, we're going to be talking about this: earn $5 when you spend $1. It is a weird booster that started showing up for many of you. It is valid from the 29th, which is Thursday morning. Please pay attention. Right till October the 5th. Going through the rules again, the booster is valid from Thursday, September the 29th to Wednesday the 5th, so that specific window. It is of a one-time use to also use, so if it's just hanging out still on your account, it's a one and done. And yes, for the balance, you can use your debit card, credit card, or bills, as it is a spend booster. We have to really pay attention. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or we'll mess everything up. Looking at a couple quick deals pour vous. The first one, of course, you need your best friend loaded, and it seems like last week was the spend 10, get 10, and now this one's showing up for quite a few of you. So hopefully check your digital coupons folder if you might have it. We're going to grab one of these Arm & Hammers on sale this week for $1.99. Now, our absolute and total favorite, shrinkflation. Take a look at this, guys. We have 27 loads in comparison to 21. Grab the 27 loader. It's 6 extra loads. They're fooling nobody with that chintzy 21 load. That makes my heart sad. Grabbing one of those for $1.99. With that balance, pay with your debit card or cash bills, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. Spend $1 to get 5. So it makes it free plus a $3.01 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash, as that weird booster is a spend booster. So how exciting is this deal? Okay, friends, the second deal that we have, again, we need our best friend loaded. So pick one of these deals that you want to do, but earn 5 when you spend $1. It's really nice. We're going to grab one of these Palmolives on sale this week for $2.49. And that booster you'll find at the top of your digital coupons folder. Your mileage may vary if you get it or not, but you have this one from 2 weeks ago. Hopefully you still have it on your account, so load it. It's $1 off Fabuloso Suavitel Palmolive. Choose one. Grabbing a Palmolive for $2.49, subtracting that digital, you're paying $1.49 with your debit card or bills if you want. Pay it with quarters. Probably the cashier will be very happy if you do that. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it free plus a $3.51 moneymaker. Let's not forget, as that booster is a spend one, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. It's awfully tempting with these small baskets of very, small orders, but do not use any Walgreens cash. So just keep that in the back of your mind. The next deal that we're going to look at, deal number 3. Again, we need our best friend loaded. Earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $1. We're going to grab one of these delicious deals of the week for $2.49. So $2.49, pay that with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash. It makes it free plus a $2.51 moneymaker. Remember, as this is a spend booster, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay it down. But Friday's coming just around the corner. Bring these to work, have them at home, give them out to trick-or-treaters. What a great little deal. The last deal that we're going to look at, number 4, we need, again, our best friend loaded. So if you have this crazy booster, pick one of these deals, whichever one. I think I'd probably do the Palmolive myself. But since I cannot stop talking about Scott's paper towel, it's $5. We have that $1.25 IVC. Either load it, or alternatively, you can scan it from the Flip app. I made a whole video about that. Check it out yesterday, I believe. But you need this guy. And even though it's an IVC, it doesn't matter because your spend threshold is only $1, so you'll make that. So this is the exception for this. So this is pretty easy, guys. You'll grab one Scott product, either the paper towel or the toilet paper. You pick for $5 on the nose. Subtracting that IVC coupon with your debit card, you're going to pay $3.75 or pay that with a cash bill, like a $5 bill or whatever. Then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, and it makes it free plus a $1.25 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as it is a spend booster. But double, triple check the top of your coupons folder. Lots of people on Tuesday afternoon were messaging me on the different apps saying, oh my gosh, look what I got, look what I got. So hopefully this video will point you in the right direction to get like one of possibly 5 freebies. Pick wisely. How exciting is this booster? I hope sooner or later all of our cards get a turn for this, but it was popping on a lot of accounts on September the 27th, which is a Tuesday. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.